Can I go into this screen and say, hey, stop throwing yourself into park before you break something? Far be it for me to complain. What's up with this? Like, is there a way that I can program this out of the car? Because this is crap. So I'm out here, I'm just riding around, I'm looking for different cars to review. I'm picking out my next contestant. So I'm slow rolling. So I'm just slow rolling through here. So we take off. I take off, and let's see. I'm gonna slow down and look at this light gray Expedition. So let's slow down just a little bit right here. Just slow down. I didn't put it in park. Watch this. If you think I'm lying, let's do this again. Let's put it in reverse. Now we're going to pretend like we're looking at that white Expedition. See that big white one right there with the 24-inch shoes? So watch this. We're going to back up. Watch my feet. So I don't want you to think I'm lying to you. So we're going to back up here. So we're backing up here just a little bit. We're slow rolling. Coming up on the car. We might want to slow down so we can see it. Let's slow down here. Seems to me that'd be real bad for the transmission. I mean, like, why does it do that? Is there something that I can do? Like, can I go into this screen and say, hey, stop throwing yourself into park before you break something? One more time, because I don't want y'all to think I'm lying to you. All right, one F-250, gray F-250, chrome grill F-250, gray grill right there. So the next to the last truck on the lot, next to the last truck on this line right here. Here we go. We're going to slow roll up there. We're approaching the truck. Maybe we want to stop and take a little bit more of a look at it. It's a 450, so we're slowing down here real good. Sorry. Yeah, maybe I'm just not smart enough. We've obviously proved that I'm not smart enough to own a Tesla several times in reviews, but what's up with that?